So you just finished a grueling 3-hour live stream, your editor has completely ghosted you, and yet the brand deal money is sitting safely in your bank account. You only have 10 minutes to turn that chaotic mess into snackable, engaging clips that actually grab views, and frankly, welcome to my daily reality. I absolutely love creating content that looks like a professional team spent 3 days on it, even when it is just me, 5 cups of cold coffee, and a very hopeful laptop. Today, I want to walk you through a lightning-fast pipeline for turning long-form footage into a massive stack of viral-ready clips, doing almost all the heavy lifting with Vizard. This workflow is designed specifically so you can finally stop living inside complex Premiere timelines forever and reclaim your creative sanity. We are starting with a blank slate, metaphorically speaking, because I know you have one giant file on your desktop titled Final Really Final v2.mp4. The first step is simple. Just drag and drop that long video directly into the platform. If you want to follow along, I have uploaded a sample session you can pull into Vizard using the project ID Uac9JLSXqJw. It is not exactly a magic cheat code, but it will save you a crucial minute or two, which is essentially an eternity in the world of content creation. Now, here is the secret to success. Don't start chopping manually, because long videos have hidden pockets of gold like funny lines or surprise moments that are rarely evenly spaced. Manually hunting for these golden moments is exactly like trying to find a clear contact lens underneath a black rug. Vizard's auto-editing viral clips feature finds those hidden pockets for you automatically. It analyzes engagement cues, speech energy, and audio peaks, and then spits out a selection of short clips that are actually worth posting. Just drag your giant file in, hit the auto edit button, and watch as the AI pulls 8 to 12 highlight candidates for you. Does it sometimes pick the one where you accidentally said something weird and laughed like a nervous raccoon? Honestly, pretty often, yes. But if it misses the exact gem you want, Vizard gives you a trimmed timeline preview so you can quickly scrub through and pick another specific timestamp. When you compare this to other tools, Descript is great for transcribing, but its clip suggestion game is not really built to optimize specifically for viral engagement. CapCut and Clipchamp can certainly do decent manual chops, but you are still the one acting as the detective searching for the best moments. Premiere Pro is a beast, but it will let you do literally anything except save your soul faster. Once Vizard produces those clips, peek at the suggested lengths, as the algorithm usually targets 15 to 45 seconds for TikTok and longer for YouTube. You can easily batch change formats from vertical to square to landscape so you don't have to remake the same clip 4 separate times. Here is a pro tip. Keep some clips super short for quick hooks and others a touch longer for context, because variety really gives you better odds. Next, it is time to polish, and Vizard gives you one-click caption generation based on the transcript that it automatically times for you. No more manually typing subtitles that end up slightly off sync and make you look like you are reading from a disorganized grocery list. You can tweak the font or color if you feel fancy, but try not to over-design. Most viral clips win on pure clarity, not typography Olympics. Sound matters just as much as the visuals. Vizard detects loud moments where the audience reacts and suggests audio fades, music beds, and even removes those awkward mic pops. I personally like to let the voice be prominent for the first second, then drop in a subtle music bed, and finally pull it down whenever someone laughs to keep that human moment intact. Unlike tools like Headliner, which focus mainly on audiograms, Vizard ties your audio choices directly to the visual highlights so it all feels cohesive. Thumbnails and first frames are absolutely huge for your reach. Vizard auto-suggests thumbnails from within the clip, usually picking a face or a strong expressive gesture. If you are aiming for a story, choose a frame that shows real emotion, tighten the crop, and slap on a short, punchy title of 3 to 5 words max. I know the algorithm loves everything screaming in capital letters, but subtle boldness usually outperforms screaming fonts when paired with authentic footage. Next up is captions and copy, where the AI drafts suggested captions and hashtag packs based on your platform and topic. It won't replace your creative brain, but it gives you a cracking first draft to start from. Look at the suggestions, delete the stuff that sounds like corporate horoscopes, and keep the angle that sounds like you are talking to a friend. Remember that natural, authentic energy beats robotic, perfect phrasing every single time. Now, let's talk about the scheduling feature that effectively saves a creator's entire career. Just set your posting frequency, daily, 3 times a week, whatever, and Vizard will cue your clips at the optimal times for each platform. No more midnight panics assembling a post while your brain feels like a bowl of soggy noodles. The content calendar lets you see everything in one place. What is scheduled, what is live, and what is waiting for your final approval. It is essentially like having a tiny, tireless producer who never asks for coffee breaks or salary raises. Let's be honest, other scheduling tools are totally fine for posting, but they don't actually turn your long video into platform-ready clips. They rely on you to upload finished assets, whereas Vizard integrates the whole loop, extracting, editing, captioning, and scheduling. That is the fundamental difference between playing whack-a-mole with a dozen apps and running an actual cohesive channel strategy. A quick detour. I love using Milanote for mood boarding and planning. You can throw reference clips, thumbnail sketches, and a shot list into one visual space. It is brilliant when you are planning a series and want everyone on the same page, especially for mapping out the beats you want to highlight from a long live stream. Back to the workflow. Once you have approved your clips and captions, Vizard allows batch export or direct posting to save you more time. Want to post the same clip on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube with different crops and captions? It is already done for you. Need to localize captions in different languages? Also entirely doable inside the same workflow. Export times are incredibly fast because Vizard optimizes rendering for social formats, so you aren't waiting for a 4K export that you'll only watch on a phone screen. Here are some practical micro tweaks I always do after auto edit. Trim the start so you hit the first soundbite within half a second to grab attention immediately. I also add a subtle punch scale or zoom on the hook, which Vizard's effects let you do without opening After Effects. I reduce background music by 6 to 10 decibels whenever someone speaks to ensure the voice clarity remains top tier. I also love to add a quick freeze frame or speed ramp at an emotional beat for added emphasis. Finally, customize the caption color to contrast well with your background so people can rewatch your clips without squinting. And for the skeptics, yes, AI can be wrong, and it might occasionally pick an awkward laugh or a filler word as a highlight. That is perfectly fine. Think of Vizard like an obsessive intern who finds the best clips and hands them to you for a quick curation. Your actual job is fast curation, not wasting hours hunting for needles in haystacks. Vizard's sweet spot is creators who want speed and strategy without losing their creative control. It is significantly cheaper and faster than hiring an editor for every single small piece of content. Here is one last pro move. Use a batch content strategy. Instead of thinking one clip, hope it goes viral, aim for a matrix of 3 hooks, 3 context clips, and 2 longer variants. Vizard makes this incredibly easy. Auto-generate a batch, tweak each for platform specs, and schedule them across 2 weeks. You are not waiting for one lucky clip to blow up. You are increasing your odds by flooding the channel with related, well-optimized content. So there you have it, a fast, reproducible way to turn long-form footage into a stack of shareable clips that don't look like they were made in a panic. Import your file, let Vizard surface the best moments, polish them up, and schedule everything so you are actually consistent. Don't overcomplicate the process. Serious creators win by being consistent, not by being perfect. If you like learning practical workflows like this, I have a whole playlist of shortcuts and tools that will help you scale without losing your life. Try this workflow, tweak it for your own voice, and I will see you in the analytics, because the real party is watching those view counts climb. Peace.